how to change your render distance in Minecraft. So as you guys can see, my game is really laggy right now because my render distance is set too high. If that's happening to you, what you guys want to do is follow my few steps. So the first step, what you guys want to do is click escape and go to settings. In settings, you guys want to scroll all the way down. In here, you guys want to click on video and then also go all the way down. After you guys went all the way down, what you guys want to find is called render distance. As you guys can see, it's set to 76 chunks. What you guys want to do is scroll it down, and until this notice goes away, you guys want to keep scrolling it down. And right here, I'm going to put it to around 30. So that's good. Now, as you guys can see, my game is playing smoothly. So, if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.